What's going on, man? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, I'm teaching you all how to get deep 360 waves. Before we get into the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate the supporters, man. Appreciate the people who've been subscribing to my channel. I love it. I'm dropping bangers for y'all. Hey, man, let's get into the video. Let's go. Man, before we get started with the video, I want to show y'all the products I'm using. Alright, so the three products that we're going to be using, these royalty brushes. If you want to get 360 waves and you want to get deep 360 wave, you need to get a soft, medium, and hard brush. And also, I'm actually about to upgrade this. You want to get a comb as well. So I'm about to get a better comb, but you want to get a comb because you want to comb out your hair. Combing, the benefits of combing, be a quick tip real quick. The benefits of combing, you allow the hairs to be more relaxed. When the hairs are more relaxed, when you hit the hair with the hard brush, and this is knowledge, right? Once you hit the hair with that hard brush, it's gonna pull. The more pull you have, the more your hair is laid. And the more your hair is laid, the more the waves can connect. You know what I'm saying? And y'all probably see it on some of y'all heads. You know what I'm saying? You probably take off your rag, you're like, whoa, you're spinning, right? So I'm gonna show you how my waves looking in the next clip. Let's get this out. Just took the do-rag off. I'm actually gonna use the mirror, right? So y'all can see how my waves looking. My waves are pretty deep on this side. I comb a lot, like on this side, maybe the front. They kind of look deep all around. I ain't gonna lie. I think they look pretty deep all around. You know, y'all give me a rating in the comments. I haven't got a haircut. I'm gonna get a haircut maybe this week. But yeah, man, this is how my waves are really looking. Looking. Hey, man, if you want them deep waves, man, stay tuned to this video. I don't think it's gonna be a quick video, but hey, man, stay tuned. So the first thing we're gonna get into, if you want to get deep 360 waves, you want to definitely get your comb and you want to comb out your hair. So we're gonna get started with that. Let's get it. I'm actually speed it up this time. I have been talking in most of my videos because a lot of people wanted me to talk, but in today's video, I'll go ahead and speed it up for y'all. All right, man, stay tuned. Alright, man, so y'all can see how I'm looking. I have like a mini afro right now. I'm looking right here, the mirror's right here. So y'all can see I got like a mini afro going on. So in the next clip, I'm gonna have the hard brush. Let's go. So I got the hard brush, man. What you wanna do next, you definitely wanna go ahead and just, I'm gonna talk a little bit of this one. So you wanna go ahead and just brush your hair down like this. Now the hairs, let me break it down a little bit. The hairs are loose, they're relaxed. Now what you wanna do is pull them. So you want to use your hard brush to pull. So let's start pulling. If you're a 360 wave beginner, go ahead and follow along. I'll talk a little bit to help y'all out, right? So you want to pull, brush, my bad. Want to brush. Coming down, want to make sure it's, you know, nice and simple. Nice strokes. And I got my list ready, man. I'm dropping another video after this one. Alright, don't want to really overlap. You want to hit the next angle, which is right here. You want to really get into it, man. Really pull on it. Really brush. Then you want to hit the top. And move more right here so y'all can see. Really want to hit the top. Next, you want to go ahead and hit that crown, man. Always remember, after you get to the top, reverse all the way back down to the crown. You can go slow, or you can go fast. It's really up to you. And then after that, you want to just really brush your sides down, brush the front down. Pretty easy. You see there. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up for you boys. Again, if you are using a comb, make sure you use the comb and make sure you really loosen it up, get in there a little bit, and then hit it with the hard brush to give it the maximum pull so the waves can be more relaxed, and then that's how you're gonna really get them deep 360 waves. All right, man, I'm about to speed it up for you boys. Let's get it. Alright, fellas, see I got done with that side. You want to brush it down. If you following along, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 200 or more subscribers before January. Yes. New Year's basically. Alright, so go ahead and brush the sides down. In the next clip, I'm gonna have the medium brush. Let's get it. Alright, man, so I got the medium brush. What you want to do with the medium brush, same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate it for y'all. You want to go down just like this, start in the back. I'm gonna go to the side just like that. Hit that next angle just like that, fellas. Just like that. Make sure you brushing real light. You can go slow, you can go fast, you can go medium speed. As long as you're getting that pull on the hair so them waves can look deeper. Let's do it. Let's get it, man. You beginners, I'm gonna get y'all right. Then you wanna hit right here. Last step, probably hit up there, right? And now you wanna reverse, coming back around. So I'm gonna show y'all one more time and I'm gonna speed it up. So again, hit the back, hit the side right here. Hit the next angle, don't overlap it. Let's hit right here. Let's not overlap, hit right here. Now let's reverse it. Alrighty, man, so you want to brush the side down before we get to the next side. Alright, man, about to speed it up. Let's go. Alright, fellas, that's with it with the medium brush. You see how we tore that up? You want to go ahead and hit your sides, hit them all down again, just to make sure you're getting them. Show y'all real quick as well. You see it. In the next clip, I'm gonna have the soft brush. I'll do it different with the soft brush. I'm gonna demonstrate it. Let's go. All right, man, I got the soft brush, and what I do with the soft brush, I actually go all around with one. So I go like this. You hit that side because it's the soft brush. It feels so good on the hair. So I just like to go all around. I don't even like the reverse. Hold on, right here, right here. The next right here. Next is the next side, which will be right here. And you see I'm doing it different with the soft brush. This is how I like to do it. The soft brush is so nice, man, just laying these hairs down. It's so nice. Next will be right here. Yes sir, yes sir. You want to make sure you get that down pat, man. Make sure you get it down. So again, if you're liking this video so far, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you're a newcomer, follow along. Dropping bangers for the beginners, dropping bangers for the wavers, man. Let's get it. The back. And the last step I do, reverse that bad boy just like this. Brush my sides down, just like so. And if y'all want me, I'll demonstrate it one more time. Go from right here, next right here, next right here, next, don't overlap, let's hit the top. Next, angles on this side right here. I'm looking at the mirror right in the front of me. Right here. Next angle right here. Next angle will be around the back right here. Let's get it, let's get it. Hold on. See, I can see that. Next will be the back. And the last thing, boys, will be the crown, man. Alrighty. So next, we're about to get into the products. Hold on. About to get these products for y'all. Brush the sides down. Really want to make sure you do that so your hair can stay laid, get them deep waves. You know how it is. Next, we're going to be using the plastic bag with the product. Stay tuned. So you see we got the oil, we got the pomade, we got the plastic bag. What you want to do first, you could either add your pomade first or add your oil first. I usually add my pomade first and then add my oil. I'm gonna speed this up for y'all. Y'all usually see how I do it. Let's get it. All right, fellas, you seen I laid it down. Add my oil, my pomade to the crown. I always advise add the pomade to the crown because the crown is where the hair grows. And if the crown is laid, my mistake, if the crown is laid, everything else will be laid, sir. Yes, sir, everything else will be laid. So you wanna do that. Last step you wanna do, hold on before you boys go. I'm gonna show y'all again how to tie your do-rag properly. If you do not know, this is a bonus tip. You wanna go just like this. Make sure it comes down to your nose. want to flip it over like this. Pull down the back like this. Wrap it around. Make sure it's not overlapping on each other. On the side, you want to go just like this. The front, you want to make sure it's up so you don't get that line on your forehead. The side, just like this. You got the other one, pull it around. I don't put that junk in my mouth. That junk is nasty, right? And then you put this one over here in the front so you don't get the overlap. This is kind of wrong. Hold on, let me pull it down for y'all. Hold on. Pull it down. There we go. So pull it down a little bit. Want to wrap it, and in the back, you want to tie it like so. Pull it down. All right, man. So this is the video. This was how to get deep waves for 360 wave beginners or 360 wavers, whoever watching this video. Again, man, I am on a road to 200 or more subscribers, going hard this year. Yo, really support me, really support like everything I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I'm dropping bangers for y'all. Hey man, any of the products you need is in the link in the description below. Again, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. YouTube, upgrade their notifications, hit them notifications. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.